Fear crystallizes into resolve. She heads straight to the office to confront someone she trusts. In the bright morning bustle, she stops at Ryan's desk.
Hey, Ryan, can I ask you something? Have you noticed anyone acting strange around me?
No, I haven't noticed anything like that. Why? Is someone bothering you?
Someone's been sending me really specific messages about my routine. I'm trying to figure out who.
That's really concerning, Mia. I'll keep an eye out. If I notice anything suspicious, I'll tell you right away.
Thanks, Ryan. I appreciate it. Just be observant.
The sun slips past the skyline. Back home, as Mia sits on her couch, her phone suddenly buzzes.
Please, not another message, please.
The screen ignites with a new text, colder, sharper than before. Your brother can't protect you from another city. Your coworker doesn't even notice you. Terror climbs her spine as she clamps a hand over her mouth.
They know! They know I talked to Marcus and Ryan. Oh my God! This person is watching me right now. They saw everything. Okay, go to the police. You have to do it now. This has gone too far.
Under bright daylight in the station lobby, she grips her phone like evidence.
I need to report a stalking case. Someone has been sending me threatening messages for days.
A desk officer assures her a detective will be with her shortly.
I'm Detective Martinez. Come with me to my office. We'll get all the details.
Thank you for seeing me. I've been getting these messages. They know everything about my life, where I go, what I wear.
Let me see everything. Start from the first message and tell me when this began.
It started a week ago. Then they kept coming. Look, they know my exact routine, my coffee shop, my workplace.
These are very detailed. Do you suspect anyone? Someone who knows your daily routine well?
At first, I suspected my friend, then my brother, even my coworker. I asked all of them, but it's none of them. I've been going crazy trying to figure out who it could be. Everyone I know has denied it.
You did the right thing by coming here and reporting. I'll trace these messages and find out who's behind them.
You can do that? You can find out who's sending them?
Absolutely. I'll need to keep your phone to extract data, but I'll return it to you soon. We'll also check security footage from the locations mentioned.
Yes? Take it. Take whatever you need. I just want this nightmare to end.
Go home and stay calm. I'll call as soon as we have information. This is now a priority case.
2 days pass. The apartment feels calmer, but the worry hasn't gone away.
The detective said he'd call today. I hope they found something.
Sophie stays close, trying to steady Mia's nerves.
They will. You did everything right. The police are on it now.
A buzz breaks the quiet.
It's the police. Maybe they found something.
Ms. Bennett, we traced the phone that sent you those messages. It's registered to Derek Thompson. We're picking up his signal very close to your building.
They said, It's Derek, my ex-boyfriend. He's nearby.
A sudden pounding rattles the door and their nerves.
Did you lock it? Please tell me you locked it.
Mia, I know you're in there. Open the door.
He's here. Oh my God, he's really here.
I'm calling Detective Martinez right now. Don't move.
You went to the police? You shouldn't have done that.
He's outside. Derek's here right now. You have to send someone immediately.
Stay inside and lock every door. Officers are already on the way. Do not open for anyone until they arrive.
Please let them get here fast. Please.
Police! Step away from the door now!
I wasn't going to hurt her. I just wanted to talk.
You're under arrest for stalking and harassment.
They got him. I think they got him.
Ms. Bennett, you're safe now. He's in custody.
Days later, sunlit calm returns. At an outdoor cafe, the wind is gentle, the sky clear, and Mia finally exhales.
I finally slept through the night. No fear, no messages.
You did it, Mia. You took your life back.
I couldn't have done it without you.
That's what friends are for.
Cups clink softly in the light. Peace at last.